Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Do you want to add your Gmail account to your iPhone so that you can conveniently access data such as your email, contacts, calendar, and more all in one device? In this video, I will show you two different methods you can try to add your Google account to your iPhone. Let's go. If you want to fully integrate all or selected data from your Google account with your iPhone, you can configure it right on your device. Open Settings and proceed to the Mail configuration menu. Go to Accounts and click Add Account. Choose the Google domain from the list of options and enter your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for your account, verify access using your trusted device or security code sent to your registered phone number. Once verified, make sure to activate Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes if you need them all, and click Save to sync all the associated data to your iPhone. But if you just need your emails, enable only the Mail option and leave the rest disabled. In case you have another Gmail account you need to add, click the Add Account button again, and repeat the steps as described earlier. Once you have added your Gmail account to your Mail settings, here's how you can access your inbox. Open Mail and proceed to the mailboxes. Find and expand the Gmail panel to view and access your inbox, draft, sent, and other folders without constantly signing in and out. Another method is to install the Gmail app on your iPhone and add your accounts there to monitor your inboxes independently without integrating all your data into the device. If you don't already have it, install it from the App Store and sign in with your primary account. To add another account in Gmail, click the profile icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click Add Another Account and select Google. Then enter the email credentials for your spare account and provide an authentication code if necessary. Once all your accounts are added, click the profile icon again and switch between them to view your inbox individually. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.